Ready to supercharge your website's credibility by handpicking the Google reviews that shine the brightest? Let's dive in. First things first, head over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the plugin section. On the left-hand side, click on Add New to find our review displaying tool. Now, in the search bar, type in Google Reviews widget or any other plugin that lets you display Google reviews. There are several great options out there, so pick one that fits your needs and design preferences. For this tutorial, we'll use Google Reviews widget, a popular and easy-to-use choice. Once you've found your plugin, click Install Now and then Activate to get it up and running. With the plugin activated, look for its settings. It's usually on the left-hand panel. Now, let's configure it. Most plugins will require you to connect to your Google My Business profile. Follow the instructions to authenticate your account, giving the plugin permission to access your reviews. Once connected, you'll see a list of your Google reviews. This is where the magic happens. You can now filter your reviews and manually select the ones you want to showcase. Choose those glowing testimonials that highlight your strengths and address common customer questions. Most plugins also allow you to customize the appearance, matching the style of your website. Finally, to display your chosen reviews, go to the WordPress page or post where you want them to appear. The plugin usually provides a shortcode or a widget. Simply insert the shortcode into your content or drag and drop the widget into your desired location, typically using a block or page builder. And that's it. Update your page, and you'll see your carefully curated Google reviews shining on your website. You've now got a powerful tool to build trust and showcase your happy customers. Now go ahead and boost your website's credibility.